Hey guys, this is Sneha and welcome back to my channel Sneha's Wing Dreams. It's been a long that I've spoken to you guys like this. So today I'm gonna review something new that I've bought recently and I was really excited to use that. If you follow me on Instagram, I have shared in my stories that this was my recent purchase, and I already used it on my students, like the people who come to me for bridal makeup classes. I have already used this on them, and seriously, this works beautifully. It gives a flawless finish and I really love that. So today I'm gonna test and review this in front of you guys so that you also know that how good is this blender. And this is from this brand Dupe. It comes in this kind of a package, and inside that this box is there and the sponge comes in this, and you guys can very well understand that this sponge comes inside this, and after holding it and squeezing it under running water, it builds up to this size. Like, it's actually double of its size. You can see, like, it's not entering into the box now. So since it increases in size so much, it's so easy to blend the product on face, and it takes very less time to blend the foundation on your face, right? And this is their teardrop blender, and along with it you get a mini blender which you can use for concealing and defining, like under your eyes and the corners of your nose. So it's very helpful in those things. And along with reviewing this, I will compare it with the very famous favorite of everyone, this original beauty blender. So I'm gonna compare both these. I'll do half of my face with this and half of my face with this. And we know that the original beauty blender works wonders, no doubt. But let's see what is the difference in the result and everything, because this costs you 2,000 bucks, guys, and this retails for just 1,000, and it always has some discounts on it. Like, I bought it for 650, so it's a deal, guys. It's a great deal to buy such a sponge, and if the result is quite comparable and very good, then it's actually great. So let's just cut the discussion short and start with the review. I'll be using my favorite foundation with this because I know what is the finish of this foundation and everything. So I'll be using a foundation that I know really well, and I'm using this Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 228. I have already prepped my face with toner and my facial oil, that is the jojoba oil from Nykaa. And I've applied a primer from Calabar, and now we will be seeing that how the blender works. Okay, so as of now, what I see that the sponge actually works beautifully, guys. It gives a very natural finish on your skin, but it covers up beautifully. And one more thing, the sponge soaks up a very little amount of the product. Like, you really don't need to worry about the product wastage. So that's a good thing about this sponge. Let me just see from closer if it leaves any mark or not. No, guys, and in case I need a little bit more coverage, yes, not only natural finish, you can definitely achieve a full coverage with this sponge as well. Like, I've heard saying people that sponges don't give full coverage, but you can see that the sponge is giving complete full coverage on my face. So now I'll just test the other side with the original beauty blender. I feel I need a little bit more product. Okay, so I am done with blending both the sides of my face, and can you guys really tell me any difference between both the sides? If I see closer, it's actually quite similar, guys, apart from some small differences, like this sponge feels very soft and this is a bit on the like a slightly bit harder than this one, but both of them feel really good, and as compared to the price, this works really beautifully. Like if I can get a similar finish in 680 or 1000 bucks, then I'll definitely not go for something for 2000. Let's see how the small blender works. This blender is of great use, guys. It so beautifully fits into the corners of your face, like which cannot be reached by the big blenders. Big blenders. This small little guy just fits into those areas and blends everything so beautifully. So in a price of one, you get two. So now, once my foundation and concealer is done, I'll just set my face with this pressed powder from Maybelline Fit Me. So I'll just finish rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, so guys, I am done with my complete face, and I must say that I love this blender. Like, I have tried it on my students like other people, but trying something on ourselves is a completely different thing. So, and I'm really satisfied with my buy, guys. I heard really good things about this blender, but even then, when we buy something, we are really skeptical about buying something, even it is a small or big thing. So even I thought that will it be good buying it, but I was a little confident because whoever bought this was very happy with the results. So finally I am also done with the complete makeup and I'm really satisfied. So you guys can definitely go for this blender. It works wonders, guys. And as for the price of this blender, I am in totally love with this. So if you guys love this review session, give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends, and yes, I'll definitely give you the link of this blender, like where you can buy Waishi blenders, and they have brushes and lashes as well. So I'll give you the complete link. They are available on Amazon and as well as on their own website. So I'll give you all the links of these blenders and lashes as well. And if you've loved this, share it with your friends who want to go for new blenders, who want to try new things coming into the market, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And till the next time we meet again, stay gorgeous. Bye bye.